So I brought my S2000 over here to Tuning Tech by Frank Smith over here in Crofton, Maryland. Gonna have it dyno tuned or dyno checked just to see what kind of power I'm getting out right now out of the engine. Again, I wanted to do this car as it was when I bought it, but the spark plugs, one of the contacts actually broken off, so I needed to change the spark plugs. But I know I can check out, see how much power it's got now before the valve adjustment, before fully foaming it and everything else. So let's see how she reads. I'm going to actually reset the check engine light because when it's warm, it runs fine, but when it's cold, it's a misfire. So let's see what happens. Alright, here it goes. Saw something coming out of the exhaust there. Brought a little bit of the sea foam left over, but I'm excited. Let's see. Drip out of the left exhaust. Some puffing going on. Hole number 2, let's see it. I feel in my feet. Kind of uneven vibration. I don't know what that means. One of the pools is definitely higher. I see 3. Who knows what that means? I have to wait for the data. Sounds pretty good. I do smell a bit of exhaust, like a bad catalytic converter. That's not good, but everything else seems nice. So he actually mentioned something that I noticed too, is that the warmer the car gets, the better it runs. Hopefully that steers us away from a valve issue, but he's going to do 3 more pulls for that reason, now that it's nice and hot. Sounds a lot better. Front end lifted up more, pretty sweet.
Right out to it, like 198, but it's but you see it missing again?
Yeah, it did.
You can feel it. So if it's missing a cylinder.
Oh, check engine light came on, that's why.
Yeah, no, but it was on before. That's not what's doing it.
Can we do 1 pull after resetting it?
We can, but
yes. Yeah, I feel it.
You feel it? It's on 3 cylinders right now.
Hey everyone, so it turns out for the last 3 dyno pulls, my numbers actually went down. I was running on only 3 cylinders because the spark plug tube seals were failing, which let oil pour onto the spark plugs and was preventing the spark plugs from meeting properly with the coil packs. So the output went down to about 147, 148 horsepower. It was sitting at about 109, 110 pound-feet of torque for all the runs. Obviously, I'm going to do the valve adjustment here soon. I wanted to do an additional set of pulls, but once I have the valve adjustment done and the spark plug tube seals fixed. That should fix the oil issue and hopefully help it start running on all 4 cylinders. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.